sense of self-worth and their ability to determine their own choices and rights for themselves and others. Empowering girls is the key to economic growth, political stability, and social transformation. Help empower girls and women. Let us work together to create a world where every girl and woman can reach their full potential. Prayer gives us hope and strength. So let's seek the blessings of God. With this song, kindly join your hands and close your eyes.
We have wings, we can fly, look at the world in the eye. We have a heart that is kind and a wise, open mind. We have hope, we have love, we can rise up above. Make us strong as
Is the power to create, nurture, and transform. Thank you. Now I would like to call Ira for word of the day. Good morning, everyone. Word of the day is nurture, meaning to take care of, feed, feed and protect someone or something. I repeat, nurture, meaning to take care of, feed and protect someone or something. Thank you and have a nice day. Now I request Anna Bhaskar for news headline. Good morning, everyone. Today's news headlines are fake birthday case, Azam Khan wife and son get 7 years in jail. New VIP protocol at Taj after fake guides usher world leaders. Now in sports, Rohit Rai